Dear students, in this video, I will explain the addition and subtraction of fraction and your exercise 2.1 from your textbook. To understood addition and subtraction of the fraction, that was a part of class 6th also, and now it is the extended version of that same topic. Okay, you have to apply the same method, okay, but some questions are different only. So first of all, write the rules, try to read the rules. If the denominators are equal, then we add the numerator and denominator will remain as it is. If the denominators are equal, just like 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 is there, then I will write 3 plus 5, add the numerator 3 plus 5, 8 and upon 4 will remain as it is. And if denominators are not equal, then we take LCM of denominators and solve as shown below. If the denominators are not equal, then what we will do? For example, if 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 7 is there, here you can see the denominators are not same. Then write the LCM of denominators 3 and 7. LCM of the denominators 3 and 7, that will be 21. Listen it carefully. Write the LCM of denominators, that is 3 and 7, and then LCM will be 21. Now divide this LCM by the denominator. Divide the LCM by the denominator. 21 divided by 3, then it will be 7. Multiplied by the numerator, that is 2. So we will write 7 multiply 2. I repeat, 21 divided by 3, 7 multiply by numerator 2. Similarly, then plus is plus, then 21 divided by 7, 3 multiply by 5. Understood? What we will do? Take LCM, divide it by denominator and multiply by numerator. Okay, 21 divided by 3, 7 multiply by numerator 2. 21 divided by 7, 3 multiply by numerator 5. 7 2 ja 14, 3 5 ja 15. 14 plus 15, that will be 29 upon 21. That is the answer. Now try to subtract 1 upon 8 from 3 upon 5. 1 upon 8 from 3 upon 5. Okay, so if you need to subtract, then always remember, write 3 upon 5 on the first position. The number written with from will be written first. Don't make mistakes. A lots of students are making mistake when they are writing subtraction. The question is subtract 1 upon 8 from 3 upon 5. So number written with from will be written first, then write 1 upon 8 and then subtract, so minus. Now apply the same process. The LCM of 5 upon 5 and 8 will be 40. 40 divided by 5, you will get 8 multiplied by the numerator 3 minus 40 divided by 8, we get 5 multiplied by the numerator 1. 8 3 ja 24, 5 1 ja 5. 24 minus 5 will be 19 upon 40. So this is the process how to add and subtract the fraction. This we have to apply in your exercise question number 2. Add and subtract. If mixed fraction is there, then convert the mixed fraction into improper and then solve. And how to convert, that you already know. Now what about the first question? The first question is arrange the following fraction in the ascending order. So just look on the denominators of A. 3 upon 4, 7 upon 12, 5 upon 6, 11 upon 12. The denominators are not same. So if the denominators are not same, then take the LCM of denominator. First step, take the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 4, 12, 6 and 12 will be 12. You can check, you know how to find LCM. Then write the LCM of the denominators. Now make all the denominators equals to this LCM. Okay, this 4 will be also we need to write equals to 12. So if we need to convert this 4 into 12, then we will multiply it by 3. So multiply the first fraction by 3 upon 3, then 3 multiply 3 9, 4 multiply 3 12. 7 upon 12, denominator is already 12, then it will be unchanged. Now 5 upon 6, this 6 to be converted into 12, then we will multiply it by 2. So 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. Then it will be also 10 upon 12. Then 11 upon 12 multiply 1 upon 1 because 12 is already there, so that it will be also unchanged. Did you understood what we have done? First step, LCM of the denominators, that is 12. Now try to make all the denominators equals to 12. This 4 3s are 12, so 3 upon 3. This 12 1s are 12, so 7 upon 12. 6 2s are 12, so multiplied by 2 and 2. And this is already 12, so it will be unchanged. Now compare the numerators. We need to write in ascending order. So first we will write 7 upon 12, then 9 upon 12, then 10 upon 12, and then 11 upon 12. Then the original numbers for these are 7 upon 12, 3 upon 4, then 5 upon 6, and then finally 11 upon 12. Try to apply the similar in the option B. Try to solve yourself. I will revise it. First take the LCM, make all the denominators equals to the LCM, and then compare the numerators. 3 steps. First take LCM. Second, make all the denominators equals to the LCM. Third, then compare the numerators. Now question number 3. What should be added to 5 1 upon 5 to get 7 3 upon 7? That means what should I add in this number to get 7 3 upon 7? So let the number added is x. Now this number x to be added into 5 1 upon 5. So we will write 5 1 upon 5 plus x is equals to, then answer should be 7 3 upon 7. Now convert this mixed fraction into improper, then 5 5s are 25 and 1 26. Then 26 upon 5 plus x equal to 52 upon 7. Now this 26 upon 5 will be transferred there, then it will be minus. Now you know how to subtract. Okay, because denominators are not same, then take LCM and subtract. Okay, then you will get the answer. Next question is, the parameter of triangle is 6 2 upon 3 centimeter. Two sides are 2.5 and 3 and 1 upon 3 centimeter. Find the third side. If you recall your last class, you learned what is the parameter of triangle. The parameter of triangle is sum of all sides. So first of all, write what the things are given. The parameter of triangle 6 2 upon 3 centimeter, convert into improper. First side, second side, these all the three things are given. Third side is not given, then let the third side is x. Okay, then we know that the parameter of triangle is equals to sum of all sides. The parameter of triangle is 20 upon 3. So on the place of parameter of triangle, I written 20 upon 3 is equals to sum of all sides, means first side 5 upon 2 plus second side 10 upon 3 plus third side x. Now we need to calculate this x, so these both will be transferred on the other side. They both are plus, they will go into minus. And now you know how to subtract by taking LCM. LCM of 3, 2 and 3 will be 6. Then divide this 6 by denominator and multiply by numerator. And after solution, you will get the length of third side will be 5 upon 6 centimeter. Dear students, try to solve the other questions, the remaining questions of exercise 2.1. If you have doubt, then you can ask me anytime. Thank you.